This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. Straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this from. It is raining like crazy. I mean, like crazy raining. Boo-boo. Meh. Yeah, we highest water levels or rain levels, whatever you want to call it, in like 3 decades. And I just drove down to the lake to check it out, and I'm gonna flip you guys around. You gotta see this. Boom. I'm gonna shoot around to the other side, but that's a boat ramp. This, hello, air freshener, is actually the entrance to the marina. Yeah. Talk about rain. That's a boat ramp. I'm gonna go over there, to the other side. I don't know if I can get you guys. There's the lighthouse. The water level's almost level with the base of the lighthouse. That's crazy. Crazy. Now my plan was to go get some tractor parts today so I can get my tractor sorted out. 1 second. There we go, back. Yeah, I was gonna go get tractor parts today, but I've discovered the belt has just fallen off. Now it's extremely worn out, so it needs to be replaced anyways, but I think I'm gonna hold off. It's not like I can fix it right now anyways. Aztec's still stuck in the garage, and it's raining, so even if I got it fixed, it's not like I can cut the grass. I think I need to invest into a boat. Jumping.
I see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world.
Okay, so you just saw a shot of the main beach area. I'm gonna show you just how high this water is. I'm gonna show you the lighthouse from a different angle here. Hang on a sec. There it is off in the distance. I'm gonna zoom in. Yep. Almost just at the base of it. Now we have, I think, 2 or 3 more days of rain. So I'm going to come down here maybe Sunday. It's Friday now. I'm going to come down here Sunday. and see where this lighthouse is. Or rather, the water. Hopefully the lighthouse stays there. But let's see how high the water gets. All this wood is not normally here. Over on yonder here, zoom back out a bit. That's usually a little, I'm not even gonna say a little creek, like a little tiny stream, maybe a foot wide. I don't even think you can, yeah. I'm not even sure how to explain that. It's usually a foot wide and maybe half an inch deep. I'm willing to bet that's up to your knees right now. So F this, I'm going home. I'm gonna hide. Well, not really hide. There's really nothing I can do that I need to do outside. Really need to get my tractor fixed and clean the garage, and I have a few RC projects I want to bring in. But that all entails being outside, and well, I ain't doing that. What do you think, Boo? Is it raining? Yeah. Tut tut, looks like rain. And ta-da, just like that, we back home. We back home. Ooh. What you got? Nothing? I know. Disrupting your eating. Don't shove it in. This one, I tell you. Do a dance. So, it's great it's raining. Means I don't have to fix my tractor right away. It's also bad it's raining, because that means my grass is gonna grow and turn into the Amazon. Which means I gotta fix my tractor. Gah! I know, I'm making it seem like it's like a huge task, but it really isn't. It's more of an inconvenience. Just because I got so much going on. Got so much going on now. Watch this. That might give you a better idea of just what I'm dealing with. I can push mow and, whoa, hello, focus! Push mow and weed whack around that, but getting back there, yeah. For those of you wondering, why don't you just push mow it? I have would you just focus? I only have an electric lawnmower, so that I would need a really big extension cord. Which I have one, and I can get pretty far back there, but that would be a pain in the butt. It's just easier to fix a tractor. So, fix the tractor it is. So yes, by the way, this is the first video on the new channel. All the old videos that were posted on my other channel, my gaming channel, are going to move over to this channel, which will be, there will be a playlist somewhere that will say that. Don't know where YouTube puts it. Maybe there, or I don't know. There will be a playlist that, with all the old stuff. Now going forward, all the new stuff would be in its own playlist. I know, you ate all the strawberries. Hold on a second. Jumping, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'll, new videos going forward will just be separate. I kind of want to keep them separate just so the old ones, they won't make sense on this channel. They just won't. So reason for my channel, I think I did a video, I haven't put it up yet as of this recording, explaining why the vlogs are getting their own channel. And just to recap, I initially wasn't planning on doing this many vlogs. I know I haven't done very many, but it was literally in my head going to be like a vlog, one vlog every 3 or 4 months. That's the way it was in my head. I'm still not actively pushing out a bunch of vlogs, but I think it's going to increase. So I think it was the right thing to do. Instead of mixing vlogs and gaming, nothing wrong with that, but I just think it's better this way. Leave the gaming channel for gaming, and the vlogs for the vlogs, and everything else. Yeah, especially if I'm going to do it more. Which I'm thinking the frequency of these vlogs will just grow, I guess. They might not be as long and full blown as they usually are. There might be just like 5, 7 minute little video clips. You ate all the strawberries again? We have a problem. Oh no! Hold on. I kinda delayed her breakfast. I'm sorry, boo. We had to go see the water. I know, you don't look so impressed. Yeah. Yeah, you tell the people how horrible I am. Daddy horrible person? Alright. Alright. Hold that thought. Well, that was a long break. It's now 3:25 in the afternoon. Had some friends show up unannounced, unexpectedly. I shouldn't say unannounced. They did tell me they were coming, so whatever. It was a little bit of it was an unplanned visit. Let's go with that. And then my parents are there to watch the kids while I go and run a grading tonight. Second grading on my own. That's great. That is great. Getting the hang of it. I'm liking it. So, if you guys don't hear from me after this, it's probably because I got busy. That might just happen. Not that I have much to talk about today. It was just mostly rain, and more rain to come. We still got 2 more days of rain. So, hopefully my car can turn into a boat. If not, this may be my last video. Take care, guys.